Alrighty guys, man, it's later on in the morning here, man. I didn't hit my boy. He about to do the giveaway today, man. So we about to see where that thing goes. So I'm gonna probably load this thing up and head to the city, try to get some slides in or something, man. Enjoy this thing for a little bit. But let's get this thing loaded up and let's see. Just like any other day, man, we got that thing loaded up, ready to go, dog. So let's load up the car and get up out of here, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's gas up the rap time, dog. But about to go to the city, go pull up on a homie, go see where his bike is going, and then we gonna hop on our bikes and go get some cruise sessions in. He got some side covers for me, so those will be black today. Until ours get done, but can't wait, man. It's time to slide, and it's blue skies. I know it's gonna look lovely in LA. Alrighty, just made it to the city. Got the homie over here ready to go. Got the Road King right here, ready to go, stripped down, ready to see where it's going, paint and all that. About to go up. Wow, that's crazy. This thing look way better. Way better. That's wild. Right. Gonna get this thing offloaded. We know where bro's bike is going. Look like it's going to Wisconsin. So we about to have a little fun today, man. About to just go for a cruise or something. Nothing too crazy, man. Don't take it easy, but it is gonna enjoy it, man. So let's offload this thing real quick and get it going. Alrighty, got this thing offloaded, wiped down, looking good, ready for this LA breeze. Can't wait. About to crank her up and get some slides in, man. Y'all see what's going on. Fun. That motherfucker is going crazy, dog. I'm about to pull his out. This is the first time I'm seeing it in person with y'all. I haven't even seen this thing in person before. That's crazy. That thing looks good. Yeah. Antonio, goddamn. Yeah, that's hard for sure. Oh, me. Y'all see the Road Kings, man. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Hard. Yeah, sir, it's slide time. coming through. That shit looks so hard. Oh, that thing look hard coming up the block. What's up? What's up, man? How you doing? Yes, sir. Them things looking good, dog. Them things looking good, man. Oh my goodness, that freaking burnt orange under that like sunset just looks so amazing. Boy over here getting this washed down real quick. Quick little white, man. You know they went up last night. Man. Look good though, man. Y'all know this is my first time seeing it in person. This thing look tight. It look hard when you coming down the block.
Man, that's why I was trying to look at you as Ryan.
You know me, nah, it definitely look hard coming down the block for sure. Yes, sir, got these joints. Man, got these joints started up. Gotta get cracking. That pipe is so freaking beastie. Look at that thing. That thing is huge. You know what I mean? Wait. My boy let me borrow some side cover, so. Oh, I can't wait. Anyway, we about to slide though, man, so stay tuned. I actually broke my little chest mount, but I'm gonna try to get y'all some decent content. Yes, sir. I appreciate it, bro.
No problem.
Good looking out. Yes, sir. Out here, just put up to the beach, man. Getting a good little ride in. Oh my goodness, these joints look good. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir. Man, this thing look good right here, man. Ain't gonna lie. Wheels hit. All the oohs and the ahs, man. That orange though, ooh wee. That thing look cold. I told y'all under that sunset, it's a whole different story. Sheesh. He just pulled up to this little bike event and what? What's up, man?
I'm watching you on YouTube.
You watching me on YouTube? Oh, for sure, man. Good looking out, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we trying to see what's out here, man. See what's going on. See what's going on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alrighty, y'all. We just pulled up to the little Rare Breed Clubhouse. We got some joints out here. Woo, we eyes down. That's for sure. For sure, we eyes down. Pop it back up, pop it back up, pop it back up.
Couple minutes and I'm calling them back.
got this 26 on this joint, dog. Hey. That motherfucker go. God damn. That motherfucker hot, boy. Just made it back. That was a cool little fun little ride, man. Got the joint here sparkling up in that dog. The dog is sparkling up for sure. Got the homie bike over here, man. That was a cool little ride, dude. We ain't roll like that in a little minute. This ain't looking good. Y'all see what's going on though. Alrighty guys, man, we done loaded this thing back up. By the gas back up. We actually didn't use that much gas this time, surprisingly. But cool little day, cool little ride. Trying to make sure all these straps is good to go. Good there, good there. Let's check these. Alrighty guys, man, next morning here, we didn't even get to offload this thing. We got back so freaking late. But time to get it offloaded, get it in the garage, man, and then pretty much just let this thing chill until the rim is done this upcoming week, along with the bags and stuff, man. We had a cool little fun ride. Had to cruise that coastline real quick, but man, it's time to get this thing offloaded and finish it on up. Alrighty, got that thing back in the garage. We got all my tools and stuff over there. I gotta clean this garage up today a little bit. No big deal though, man. It was a fun little freaking LA trip, fun ride. Now it's literally just time to wait for the rest of the parts, man. I got my fun end on it. I got my clutch pops, got my cool little rides, man. So y'all already know. If you guys are interested in this one, man, the giveaway is up. We literally only got a few tickets left. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We done slid down to the city, took the bike, man, linked up with Dre, rode around, figured out where his bike is going. His bike is going to Wisconsin, so that's gonna be pretty dope. The winner did actually call back. He's going with like a blue, I guess. I don't know, everybody likes blue right now, but the CVO is up. All you guys got to do is hit the link below and you'll be entered and be good to go. But yeah, man, I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today, man. So without further ado, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We literally only got a few spots left on this Road King, man. So if you entered and you got in, consider yourself lucky, man, because this thing should be sold out today. So with that being said, man, if you guys haven't, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.